Well, I wanted to be a VTuber because I have a lot of miscellaneous hobbies and interests that I don't really have a use for unless, like, I have a lot of random hobbies that are not very useful to me in my normal day-to-day life. So when I'm as a VTuber, I get to use a lot of them, like design and like singing and video editing. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Why should we take you as our new Oshi? My strengths are I'll do my best even if it's something I'm not confident in, and my strengths my strengths I can speak multiple languages, and I'm comfortable interacting with my chat and talking to an audience, well, my weaknesses are I crack under pressure very easily. What was I gonna say? I was really nervous in my interview until they were like, tell me about your Nijisanji Oshis, and I was like, okay. Until then, I was like, hi, I'm here for the Nijisanji En interview. Yeah. And then they were like, why do you want to join Nijisanji? And I was like, well, I'm actually a big fan of Nijisanji itself, and that's why I applied. And they're like, oh, who do you like? And I'm like, wow. Well, I mean, you'd be surprised to know that liking Nijisanji makes you a better contender for Nijisanji. It's shocking, I know. Actually being interested in the company you apply for is helpful. Yeah. Who would have guessed? I mean, I told them outright that I suck at games, okay? And they still took me, so... Yeah.